What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Cat's Coils. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I refresh my hair in the morning. So if you guys would like to see how I do that, just keep watching. So as I mentioned in the description below, this is not a tutorial. This is just me showing you guys what I do to refresh my hair in the morning. So as you can see, my hair is super flat, and I'm about to show y'all how flat it really is. Girl. So we can't have that. So the very first thing I do right out of the bonnet is shake my hair out. And that just breaks the bonnet cast. The second thing I do is spray my hair with water, just enough to loosen up my locks and just make sure that they become, pliable. And then after that, I add a little bit of oil to my scalp and my ends. Alright, so this next step is my favorite step, massaging my scalp. And massaging the scalp is really good for increasing blood flow and stimulating hair growth. So I try not to skip this step unless, I just have a fresh retie. So the next step is styling. I usually wear my hair down in a deep side part. So yeah. Lastly, I'm adding a little jam. Only do this for pictures. I don't like to add jam too much, but yeah. And that's it. Alright, so that's all I have. Thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you are enjoying the content. And I really hope that my content helps you in some way. If it does, please comment down below. Until next time, bye. Please don't